Welcome students of class 4. This is your new GK class and I am back with your new topic, that is explorers of the world. So all we know that the new types of inventions of different types of routes through the sea has been discovered by many of the famous explorers, we can say, and the Vasco da Gama was the first one who was very much famous about this. And over here I will tell you one thing, that the Portuguese were the two very much passionate people who were very much interested to find out new ways to their destinations. Okay, so here on page number 60 you can see the world map. Over here it has been given and the routes has been mentioned over there with the different types of inks. Different parts of the world were discovered by the great explorers. Look at the routes taken by some explorers in the world map given below and read their descriptions. Choose and write the correct names of the explorers in the blank. So over here I have written the 6 names of the explorers and one by one I am going to explain them with their names. So the first one, he discovered, we can see the picture of that person, and he discovered the route from Lisbon, Portugal to Calicut, India, right? And long before, Calicut used to be known as Kozhikode, and this was the person and the picture over here, Vasco da Gama. He was also a Portuguese. He belonged to Portugal. Now number 2, that is Leif Erikson, and what he discovered, he left Norway and visited lakes and meadows, Newfoundlands, North America for the first time about 1,000 years ago. This person and his picture has been given over here. Number 3, this person is Marco Polo, and what he did here, number 3, Marco Polo, and he traveled from his hometown Venice. He was the resident of Venice, Italy, and to Dadu, which is the old name of Beijing, China, and met Emperor Kublai Khan. So Marco Polo was the one who discovered this new route, which is from Venice to China, that is Beijing. Okay, a Portuguese explorer who set off from Seville, Spain, one of his ships, the Victoria, the name of his ship, Victoria, became the first to sail around the world. Without any harm, he sailed around the world with only one ship. The name of the ship was Victoria, and it took him almost 3 years. So who was this person? This person was number 4. The picture has been given over here, and his name is Ferdinand Magellan. Ferdinand Magellan. Okay. Next comes number 5, and we can see the picture over here. And the picture is an Englishman who explored the South Pacific, Eastern Australia and New Zealand before he died in the Hawaii Islands. Okay, so he is James Cook, the first European from Scotland to see the Victoria Fall. He was the first European to see the Victoria Fall from Scotland on the river Zambezi in Africa. So this was the way he found out, and his name was David Livingstone. He was David Livingstone. So these are the names, these are the famous 6 explorers who found out, discovered, what we can say, they discovered the new routes to their destination. So if you have a willing, that means it's a famous thought that where there is a will, there is a way. So they were willing to go to their destination, and they found out their way, and that way was the new discovery on world map. Okay, so students, today I will conclude my class over here. I will be back again with a new class next Saturday. Till that time, you take care of yourself. Bye bye.